So Mr. Fluid here, once again, diving into another ag project, but today we're changing out a couple bearings. It's in the afternoon, had a work day today, was down at the shop, down at the school, playing in the greenhouse, and getting your guys' curriculum really dialed in. But thought it was going to rain all day, but it didn't. So now days ended and I am back doing my after school duties, tearing apart a bearing that's gone bad on the disc. So a couple different setups that we've got, but on this specific Kraus disc that we have here, we have a pillow block, and this pillow block, as you can tell, has seen better days. This baby has seen better days. She's worn out, she's ruined, she's past the point of repair, she's past the point of reconstruction. And so what we're doing is we're gonna get a new one. We're gonna get a new one, but the bottom of it has our number that I can send in to get an exact match for this shaft here. But the top section is obviously worn out. Not paying very close attention to grease in this baby. This bearing went out probably 200 acres ago. Maybe not something a guy should be bragging about or proud of, but it is the reality. So on this disc that we have, there is two bearings, one on each side that carries this shaft. And this one on this side, the bearing's starting to go out here. So we're going to replace it as well down inside of there. Hopefully you can see it, maybe not. But more importantly, what I'm doing is I'm going to pull all these sections off of this disc so that I can get to the number behind that, right? So pulling everything off as it comes. But it looks like this bearing's still in decent shape. Nah, I wouldn't say decent. She's pretty hammered. But I'm going to replace that, get the number off of this pillow block. This pillow block, this is how it should look right here. This one is obviously worn out and past its prime. And so what that is doing is carrying this shaft right here through the bearing, that pillow block right here attached to this arm that is ultimately carrying the weight of this disc, this cultivator, to be able to chop up soil so that we can plant it. But that's what I'm working on tonight after I got home from messing around with your guys' curriculum and making sure that you're continuing to learn and educate yourselves while we're away from each other. But miss the heck out of you. This is your daily dose. I want you to stay safe and have a good evening.